Radar view, very quiet skies, lots of sunshine even along the coast. Next part of a weather system will move through the Pacific Northwest. They've had actually a very rainy May up there. And so as that happens, this ridge is going to bump that rain and all that cloud cover to our north, and it's going to allow our temperatures to soar. But eventually this low is going to go to the north and east of us, and that's going to elevate that north wind. So we'll be watching the fire threat index, a new tool you'll be seeing more of in the coming days. As we assess the fuel moisture, the wind humidity, we can give you a rate on the scale here of where we think the fire index will be. For the valley, over the coming days, the humidity is going to lower. Those temperatures are going to go up. That means the fuel moisture will also go up. And eventually by Thursday, more of that wind kicks in, that north wind. And so that's going to elevate our fire danger at least into the moderate range, maybe into the high range. Just the concern here with grass fires. As that wind kicks in out of the north, we could see some very gusty conditions transitioning Thursday and into Friday. So something to just take note of. 72 in Truckee today, 77 in Arnold. Will be down into the 30s come tonight. So a chilly start, but a very warm day ahead tomorrow. 82 in Placerville today, 84 in Jackson, and we will see those temperatures tonight staying mild in the foothills. Highs today ranging in the 80s. We're going to be back in the 90s tomorrow in Fairfield in the Delta. 89 in Modesto today, 90 in Stockton. Mild start to tomorrow morning in the mid-50s. Temperatures today, 92 in Vacaville, 92 in Woodland. Same thing around Roseville, and again, a fairly mild start tomorrow morning. And check out the jump in temperatures tomorrow. We go up to 97 degrees, and there will be a little bit of a north breeze kicking in, especially north and west of Sacramento. Then it turns gustier Thursday and especially into Friday. Our temperatures are going to come down, but that wind is going to really kick up, especially again Thursday into Friday. The wind, though, should calm down into the weekend with temperatures in the low 90s Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday. Looks pretty warm, mid and upper 90s. So overall, the temperatures stay above average throughout the week. And I think tomorrow you're going to really notice the heat, and then the end of the week you're really going to notice the north wind.
All right. Okay.